Most people are taught the same advice from a young age. Save your money. And saving money is important. It creates security. It gives you peace of mind. It protects you from emergencies. But here is the problem. Saving money alone will never make you rich. In fact, there are people who spend their entire lives saving and still never become wealthy. Because if your money simply sits there, it does not grow enough to change your life. And that is the difference between people who save money and people who build wealth. Saving money is like putting your money in a safe place. It keeps it secure. It protects you from unexpected problems. But the money itself usually stays almost the same. If you save $10,000 in a bank account, you may still have around $10,000 years later. But rich people understand something different. They do not only protect money, they multiply it. And the only way to multiply money is to make it work for you. There is another reason saving alone does not build wealth. Inflation. Every year, the cost of living increases. Food becomes more expensive. Rent becomes more expensive. Everything costs more. That means the value of your money slowly decreases over time. If your money is sitting still while prices continue to rise, you are quietly becoming poorer. This is why many people save for years, yet still feel like they are not getting ahead. The people who become wealthy do save money. But they do not stop there. They use their savings to buy assets, investments, businesses, real estate, skills. Assets are things that continue making money over time. That is the difference. Most people save money and leave it sitting there. Rich people save money and then use it to create more money. Imagine two people. The first person saves $500 every month and keeps it in a bank account. The second person also saves $500 every month. But instead of leaving it there, they invest it. Years later, the difference becomes enormous. Because money that is invested has the ability to grow through compound returns. The longer you invest, the more powerful that growth becomes. This is how people build wealth slowly over time, not just by saving more, but by making their money work. Many people stay stuck because saving feels safe. Investing feels risky. So they keep waiting. They think, I'll invest when I have more money, I'll do it later. But later often becomes years. And by the time they finally start, they have lost the most valuable thing: time. The people who become wealthy understand that even small amounts invested early can become something much bigger in the future. Saving money is still important, but its purpose is not to make you rich. Its purpose is to create stability, an emergency fund, peace of mind, protection. Once you have that foundation, the next step is to use extra money to build assets. Because wealth is not built by how much money you save, it is built by what you do with that money afterward. Saving money is the first step, but it is not the final step. Because money sitting still will never change your life. Money only changes your life when it begins to grow. And the people who become rich understand one simple idea. Do not just save your money. Teach it to work for you.